ZaraSoulz back at it again with another video. Alright, this is gonna be a really fun video. Okay, this is gonna be a fashion show giveaway for a double tail. And if you guys want, like, free first announcements to join stuff like this that I do, then you guys are welcome to add my Discord. I'll have it in the link below and the whatever it is. And just add me on Discord and I'll add you guys to my server. Trying to grow our server. We have a few mods already, but we're not really as strict as the Animal Jam community server. So yeah, just add me on Discord. It's just a ZaraSoulz, and also throw that down below. Alright, see if everyone's ready. But yeah, I invited people from my server, and then after that I had my friend invite people from the AJC server, and then it wasn't full, so I just grabbed randos. Alright. The twist on this fashion show, however, only dragons, unicorns, and dinosaurs. It's for a double tail, it's not gonna be the easiest challenge. Gotta have something, makes it a bit harder. I probably should have mentioned that when I was advertising, but it makes it more of a challenge. Hopefully they got some decent ones. Alright, let's let these people switch real quick. This will definitely be a great challenge. Alright, first theme. What are we thinking? What's the closest holiday? It is August. Thanksgiving? Question mark? I'm bad with holidays. Christmas fits! Just cause. This is gonna be fun. It looks like a couple people are getting a bit annoyed of the only dragon, unicorn, and dino thing. But if they don't use one of those animals, they will automatically be out. Because if you can't follow the rules, I don't think you should win anything, so... If they decide not to use a unicorn, dragon, or T-Rex, then they'll be eliminated, and they will not get a dragon. Let's start checking out some outfits. Oh, that is a good Christmas dragon, and I love that unicorn KTRONIC. I don't think that's a dragon, unicorn, or dinosaur. Oh, DJ, that is genius. Hey, purple works too. It's Animal Jam, so therefore purple is Christmas color. I think the first couple rounds are people going to be getting out that just simply aren't being a unicorn or dragon mainly. Whoa, Zoe, you have a light side Krampus looking deer unicorn. That is beautiful. Alright, let's look at some of these outfits right quick. Dark Knight, what do you got going on here? That is stunning. I love it. That is beautiful. Little sweetheart, what you got? That is very unique. I love it. That unicorn is beautiful. Strawberry. Alright, let's kick the outs. So first we'll move the chairs. You, and you. And that is an empty chair. Go back to your chair, please. unfortunately, because you did not choose an animal, you do not get a pet. Sorry. Okay. Alright, let's go for mystical for the next theme. Wow, Swifty, that is absolutely beautiful. Love the teal. Whoa, is that supposed to be a griffin pup? That is beautiful. I love that. That is a great outfit. Y'all with your effect paras. I love it, DJ and Zoe. Oh, love it, little sweetheart. Everybody's done. Alright, who's getting out this round? Alright, who does not look mystical? I don't think that looks very mystical. And that's not really mystical either. Alright, let's find these guys unicorns or dragons right quick. Since they did follow the rules at least. Alrighty. Alright, next theme. Of course I gotta do a teal theme! I love the outfit, DJ! So jealous of those wings, to be honest. I really love them. Oh, Zoe with that moth hat and moth wings that match? What? I want those so bad. Crazy. Sometimes I kind of do teal themes just so I can add more teal stuff to my wish list. Oh! Beautiful! Sikawa. I hope I said your username right. Sikawa, right? I love that. Okay, I see 2 outs already. Hey, pup, you got more teal than a lot of these people. Alright, this person's leaving, so I'm just gonna count them as an out. Alright, who's out this round? Love the teal, everybody. Alright. If you have at least not one piece of teal on, then you are going to be out. Alright. Let's give them their dragon or unicorn. Go for a couple unicorns this time. You get a watermelon. usually Miss Strawberry just fits. Who was the other person that got out? Did they just leave? Oh, I would have given them one. Okay. I'm running out of theme ideas. I guess we can go for ocean. Let's see them ocean dragons. Whoa! Beautiful fuzzy. I didn't even notice that was a light side. Love it. This person has like not changed at all. How did I not notice? And how are they still in, to be honest? Wait, did they even do a Christmas theme? Or a teal? Or have I just looked over them completely? Dang. Ooh, that's a nice outfit, Cool Owl. Or Wolf. Whoa. Beautiful Dark Knight. I love the sapphire. Ooh, I am loving that lanternfish. Ooh, I'm loving the summer fit pup. Alright, let's see who's out. So far, I'm really loving these outfits, though. I love the pink. Oh, I'm sorry, I feel so bad for kicking you out, but you're the only one that doesn't really fit the ocean theme. I'll give you a couple extra things. You know what? I'm feeling nice. This may get them a double tail. I just have to find it right quick. They got insanely lucky. Should we go for a harder theme? Oh, that person left. They're doing good. Yeah, let's go for a harder theme. Why does it look like my dragon is eating? Are you guys seeing this? It's like glitched. What is going on? What is this? It's like not even walking. It's just like chomp, 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 chomp. Little chompies. Oh, I love that. It's not quite rainbow, but I guess it matches your rainbow hat. You're right. It's honestly a really beautiful outfit. Go with your yellow or golden rainbows. I love it. I need to make the themes harder, it appears. Ooh, a rainbow glacier. It's gonna be hard to kick somebody out. Okay, let's go for outfits that actually look decent. Alright, who are we kicking out this round? Keep you, because you're creative, pup. Oh, I'm sorry, that is the least rainbow outfit here. I am so sorry, bro. But you know, you have a teal one. Okay, next theme. We gotta make this hard. I guess we'll go a little bit easier before we go hard. Halloween! Since you guys love your shady darks. I think when editing this video, I will cut out parts where it's just people dressing and where I'm not talking and it's pretty slow. Oh yes, Zoe, that is beautiful. Ooh, them wings, Zoe. Love them. Oh, DJ, the spooky blue sapphire is amazing. Oh, it wasn't. Oh, but that's great too. Fuzzy, what you got going on here? Pumpkin T-Rex, I love it. Yes, Fuzzy Pumpkin. You're amazing. I'm just gonna buddy you. Oh, okay, never mind. DJ, that looks a more goth than Halloween, but I guess it fits. Alright, let's see what you got going on. Clown tutu. Come on, Dark Knight, you can do better than that. Your name is Dark Knight. I think you'd have some Halloween stuff. Oh, it looks like a little, what's the word? Candy corn uni, almost. Very spooky. I love that pup. And I really want that spike. DJ looks like a sleep apnea demon. I love it. Yeah, it's not very spooky. Okay, I guess I'll trade her hers later. Oh my gosh, my chat glitched. Let's go for Icy. Alrighty, looks like we're just waiting on one now. Alright, so far y'all look pretty good. The glacier is definitely safe. DJ looks like a snow queen. I didn't know there's party snow roofs. That's beautiful. fuzzy. It looks like she's got icicles all over. I love it.
Take my eyes open the first reality. Why can't you?
Alright, let's see who's out. Sorry, my cat's meowing at me. Alright, this is getting to be a challenge. Two of you have barely switched outfits since being here. Ooh, this is a challenge. It's between these two. I like the blizzard hat. This doesn't really have... Okay. This guy did really good, so let's see if we can find him a nice dark dragon that he'd like. Or she. Semi-solid purple. Alright, let's move the chairs in so we can see everybody's clip better. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, down to the final 6. Alright, have a seat, y'all. I am running out of theme ideas, to be completely honest. Alright. You know, let's go for fire dragons. Well, I guess we'll just do fire. We did ice, and now we're gonna do fire. It just makes sense. Alrighty, now we wait. Oh yes, DJ, the twin we grew together. Me and DJ grew twins together. I threw the red ancient dragon wings on mine, and then since it had some gray on it, I threw my gray dark side light up tail on it. And for the neck, I just did like a gray spike, and then the head, I did red icicle antlers, and the legs, I can't remember, to be honest, but that's a great leg item. I love the hints of blue in that fire. That is beautiful, because like the hottest fire is blue, so that's stunning. I'm loving that black and red fire, KTRONIC. I didn't know that fire hat existed. I kind of love that, Zoe. Hat of fire. I should go find one and explore. Whoa, you were literally glowing with flames. I love it. That is crazy how much that set glows. Oh, this person just came back. Unfortunately, they did get out, but I wasn't able to give them their prize because they were AFK, so I'll give them their prize now. A cute icy one. Hello. Oh. Alright, awesome. And it looks like everybody is done. So, this is going to be hard. Alright. So, sweetheart, I love your outfit, and it's really flamey, but... Oh, wait, pup. I don't know what you got going on there, pup. Alright, you're changing outfits. I'll give you just 1 minute. Oh. This is getting hard. It looks more like an aviator rather than a fire. Okay, it's between these two. This is hard to decide. She hasn't really changed unicorns though, so I'm so sorry. Alright, we gotta find her a good one. She prefers unicorns, I know that. Oh, this one's cute. I think I might like this one. Alrighty. Next theme. Alright, let's challenge people not to use bright colors. Black hole or darkness. Man, it's so hard to get people out that are doing so good. Let's see who else is on. Alright, we're gonna have 2 people out this round. Everybody's been doing so good that I'm gonna have to come up with some really unique hard themes that don't even fit Animal Jam, like maybe a SpongeBob theme. Pup, I'm obsessed with that dragon. I am still working on drawing that, by the way, because it's just beautiful. Looks like a dark queen or king. Alright, let's see who's out. You look like a really, really stunning black hole galaxy queen. Okay, I did say 2 people would get out this round, but that person for sure, they're not really black or dark. Oh, this is gonna be hard.
Everything changes.
I'm sorry, DJ. Alright, let's trade these 2 their prizes. Alright, Deej, what do you want? You got lucky, DJ. Alright, next theme is gonna be hard. SpongeBob. Oh my gosh, I spelled that wrong. Alright, let's see your probably Barnacle Man and Barnacle Boy outfits, because the starfish mask. Down to the final 3! It's very convenient how people got out just leaving a perfect triangle for the last 3. I didn't even plan that, it just happened. That's amazing. Sorry, I'm not really seeing the SpongeBob theme here. But I love your try. And Pup, what is this? Is it supposed to be Patrick? Alright, so we got a Patrick, the star, the goober ice cream hat thing. I don't know what that is. And the last one, we're still waiting on. Alright, it appears that we are done. And I'm guessing that KTRONIC was going as SpongeBob. Well, they got the tie, right, and the shirt that SpongeBob has, or whatever, the pants, sort of. Patrick looks great. Zoe, I don't know what this is. Oh. Alright, I'm sorry, Zoe. I just don't really see what your outfit's supposed to be. Alright, down to the final 2. Somebody's about to get this double tail. As soon as Zoe gets her prize. Alright. Let's see, which one should we give to Zoe? This blue one's pretty cute. Wait, oh. I have no idea what just happened. I did not mean to. I think I canceled it because I clicked it right at the last second. It kind of glitched. Alright, you can have 2 since you got 3rd place. Okay, last name. I need to think of something really hard. Okay, what's just as hard as a SpongeBob thing? What is not Animal Jam related? I guess we can go for a Pokemon. This is gonna be a challenge. Alright, it looks like we're done. We got Ash, the Pokemon trainer himself. That is absolutely genius. And then we got Vaporeon. Like, you guys did good, but I'm sorry, Pup. I was just not really seeing the whole Vaporeon thing. But I'll definitely give you a good prize. Alright, let's see what we got for 2nd place. Let's go to my prized possessions. My starred ones. Baldy. And a cutie. Alright, and KTRONIC! You did absolutely amazing, K-Tron. And here is your double tail. But, of course, everybody's gotta get a unicorn or a dragon, so what are we picking up for you? Let's see. Oh, that cutie. Oh. Alright, make some space right quick. Alright, I'll try again. Alrighty. Good job, y'all. Alright, and that's all for this video, so I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, and feel free to add me on Discord, like, subscribe, comment what you thought of the videos, as usual. If you join my Discord, as I said, you'll have a chance to be in these more often, and you'll get the first notification when I think of doing one of these. Alright, that's it. Bye, guys!